Hello everyone. We are presenting from natural language to SQL, a hybrid approach for non-technical database querying. Myself Chetan Rahane and my partners are Kunal Koshti and Omkar Kadam. Our advisor for this project was Professor Tatiana Erekhinskaya. The architecture for this particular project is we basically trained on NL2SQL dataset using Jupyter notebooks and a T5 small model from Transformers library. We exported that model and saved the saved tensors and JSON files. Using those JSON files, we created an Python fast API server, and we built a React frontend, which is basically used for user interaction. The goal of NL2SQL is to let users query databases using plain English instead of writing SQL. We explored several datasets for training. WikiSQL, which is widely used but mainly covers select queries. We also tried self-generated datasets using Python script, but both had limitations. So finally we decided on NL2SQL dataset, which gave us the best possible results. We experimented with several models. T5 small was chosen for its balance of speed and accuracy with only 60 million parameters, making it lightweight and fast. T5 base and larger models were more accurate but required much more computation power and was taking more time to respond to our queries. BERT wasn't suitable since it's not a sequence to sequence, and GPT 3.5 or codecs were either too costly or not customizable. T5 small gave us the best trade-off for our resources and project handling. We built the web app with React frontend and fast API backend, as can be seen in the repo structure. So as you can see, my front end is currently running on localhost 300, and my backend is also running on localhost 8000. So let's move ahead. All right. As you can see, select, update and delete type of queries are executed correctly. There are some limitations to this particular version, which does not give more complex queries, but it can be solved in the next versions. So we attempted RAG, retrieval augmented generation basically, but the results that our approach was generating were not satisfactory. So we had to drop it from our current version. We will be adding that in the next version. Additionally, we provided our Git repository to some of our friends who are working in the tech industry. They suggested few of the things. The most priority one was RAG basically, but also they also asked us to try with specific schema-based system build. Basically, the whole application will be focused on particular data set, and instead of giving the SQL queries, it will directly return the data. Also, while training the model, we found out that the current existing public data available for natural language to SQL queries is not sufficient, not quality enough. So that needs to be improved as well. We can work on it. Thank you. In summary, our project enables anyone to query relational databases using natural language. Our focus was on privacy, speed, and schema flexibility. We look forward to improving with RAG integration and more complex queries in future. Thank you for your attention.